can do this.
This is a dead end.
Yeah. I think let's go back.
Connect inside here and go to the other side. I think because of this tree which falls here.
So guys, we are lost. We are lost. A lot of us, all those people there, they were lost.
Some naughty guys have removed the tags.
Yeah, those are one bunch.
Just walking here blindly.
One bunch of naughty people. Okay, let's follow them. Let's follow them so that we can figure out here. Oh my goodness, we got lost because someone decided to remove the direction. Signs. Oh my goodness, all these people are lost. All these people are lost. Ni wapi? Hiyo ndio tunataka. Hiyo ya mbali ndio tunataka. Ni wapi?
Tuzidi.
Ni wapi? Ni wapi?
Mnaenda alafu mnaingia kwa barabara.
Tunavuka main road.
Mnyoroshe kabisa.
Sasa hii next
Huku.
Twende huo, achana huo. Hiyo ni kama.
So we were supposed to use the main road. We were supposed to go to the... Oh no. Okay, we'll go back. We'll go back, guys. They're saying that we were meant to go to the tarmac where we saw the tarmac, and then we go deep to the other forest. OMG. So we're just going back the 5 km. No wonder they showed us the 5 km, Lydia. No wonder they showed us the 5 km earlier.
My goodness.
Oh, be careful, be careful.
Even if I'm worried about my phone.
Phone utaenda kwa store buy. Be careful. Look out on your side. I'm telling you, yeah, it's not a joke. It's not a joke.
Lost in the woods.
But found.
That sounds like a movie. Lost in the haunted forest.
Oh my goodness. That bird is having a good tune. Listen. Listen to that. That one is singing. Oh my goodness. Where is it? It's somewhere there. Wow.
Whatever the case, I'm relieved.
We have found a new path.
Find something interesting.
Yeah, let's see.
Yeah.
So I think this road is the one we wanted to start with. The time we were coming.
Let's see.
Then said we go the other side. So
Let's see.
but now we
See where this path takes us, because at least we see it's labeled.
because of these ribbons.
It's a bit labeled other than, compared to the other one that we were taking. It was not labeled because people keep tearing the signs that directs us on where to go. No, some people are wicked. They do a lot of trouble. They make trouble. There's an arrow showing us the way. At least that is hopeful. That is helpful. And this one also. Hey guys, getting lost is not fun.
It's fun. This is fun.
Because you're not sure where you're going. You're not sure where you're going. Oh, empty. But the good thing is that we are lost in the best place. Fresh breeze and all that. At least it's not sunny. Yeah, this one has the direction arrow. The trail shows where we are going. Yeah, the beautiful view of nature keeps us going. So this one is on the way. Keep going, keep going, keep going. I enjoy the sound of the dry leaves when we're stepping on them. It feels so nice. It feels so nice. Listen to that. The leaf is being twisted by the wind. The small little things. This is, we have the direction there. We have arrows, but we are not sure where they're taking us. Let's get lost, guys. Let's get lost. Most definitely, that's where we are heading. Let's see where we are going, guys. Let's see.
So guys, I feel like we are going in circles.
Cobwebs here. This family of cobwebs have several houses here. I think this is the main house. There's another house here.
Speak, my child.
So we still have the trail arrows. Let's see. By the way, where is this place? And there's water inside.
I think that's cool.
Huh?
Right away.
Oh, okay. There's somebody who lives there, maybe a snake or someone. Kobe. That looks like a squirrel at Kobe. I think this is a cave. Oh my goodness. It could be just there. People are vicious. How can you do that? Who does that?
I'll be happy when I find myself in the river.
Anyways.
Down by the river. The river is down there.
Down by the river. Okay. But the good thing is that we are in the middle of nature. And nature is relaxing. And now we are starting to get closer to the river. I'll be down by the river. Ama kuna kitu kama hiyo?
I think I saw this tree when we were coming.
Me too.
That one?
Yeah.
Yes.
I think we are going back.
Yes.
Oh, I've seen that one. Yeah, we saw that one.
All
So
these trees are for
So we are successfully going back to where we came from.
Yes, that's what we are guessing. Eh?
Let's see. By the way, that one.
Kapicha kadhampu nile.
Yeah, wacha nikuchukue kabisha. Take me a picture.
Tired.
Sorry about the tiresomeness. Say cheese or chapati, anything, Lydia.
Chapati.
Say cheese or chapati.
Why are you guys talking about food now?
Chapati.
Stop talking about food now.
All right, there she goes. I've taken some photo of her. Kuja nipige bisha.
Shikilia hapa.
Me, I will take you.
Nitafinya wapi?
Hapa hivi kwa nini?
Hapo here.
Kwa camera.
Habari.
Barbari.
Utaangusha hapo, weka hapa kwa mami.
So we are taking our photos. Ngoja kidogo. So I must do something like unaendelea tuna photos, ndio? Nature is beautiful and photo session is going on.
I think I am. I'll go and see where I end up. I think
That's exactly what you're doing too.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go. Thank you for
I
the
got
photos.
close. I ended up at those houses.
Yeah, you also did that and then
I
you
came.
come.
Yeah, but now I found some guys who are behind me. They told me it's this way. So
You're still looking
Let's just
for
follow the trail.
yeah, you just enjoy
Let's go, guys. Let's go and see. Let's go. Bado inaendelea kuchukua video. Asante.
How did you guys start? When you came over the bridge at the
Yeah,
entrance,
the
So the bridge
waterfall.
we took the right.
you took right.
Yeah.
Okay, then I think we're in the same direction.
We're going
But
back.
the guys who are behind me, who are the ones who told me you can ask them, you'll meet them in 2 minutes.
Yeah,
They're coming.
probably we take 5 and 5 back. I think so.
Right now we head in your direction.
Yeah, you're on the right track.
Okay, so.
Enjoy your weekend. Karibu.
Subscribe to Kobenata.
We are YouTubers, by the way. You can support us by subscribing to our channels.
Okay, what is it?
Let me come and give you the names of these people, and there I am. Sorry. See where this river takes us. It's not river YouTube. OMG, let's see how it goes. The bridge looks nice. Let's see where it gets us. This is definitely not how we came. Yeah, we did not use this road. So let's keep going. An option.
Giving up is not an option.
We never used this route when we were going. We never used this
The
route.
question is, where are we going?
We're going home.
Because we didn't use this route.
Let's just follow it and see where it goes. Cindy or JW?
Sure.
Let's go. Lost. Chukua really are lost.
So guys, if you would happen to watch this video, just know that we made it home, eh?
This tree has this. Look.
See the Simba? See the Simba on the drone?
Yeah, this tree has a very unique feature because it has a lot of holes inside it.
That is to say, we are going up the hill.
We're climbing up. This is where we came from. It's down there. Keep going. Be happy, life is short. Lydia. JW.
Yep.
Keep going. We're coming from down there. Let's keep going, guys. We are almost up there. Now this is the end of the climbing. The end of the climbing, guys. You did good. Drum rolls to each and every one of you.
More marks on the tree.
Telling you, we have reached the end of climbing. Whatever. Climbing the steepy part. There's a strange footpath here, but it looks misleading. It's very narrow. This is how the trees are looking here. Let's see where this ends.
Remember what time we started this day?
1 p.m.
Jumping.
Yeah, there are monkeys. We have seen several of them. Yeah.
Another one here.
Yeah, it's here. It's jumping. There it goes. There goes the monkey. There goes the monkey. Yeah, they're jumping nicely.
We are in a monkey's territory now. Oh, there are so many of them.
Wow.
Look.
The monkey's territory.
You copy, Lydia?
Look, that one.
Yeah, there are three.
So many.
There are three there.
You guys. But I'm not able to. Another one is resting over here.
Where?
Here.
You can see it.
Yeah.
There is a monkey.
Here. Another one one there. Where? Look at this one. Actually, there are two.
Wow. Yeah. Now you see.
Monkey. Could be mom and baby.
Yeah.
It's wapi Lydia, you know.
This one over here.
Oh yeah. There goes.
And then over there.
Yeah, it's mom and baby. It's a family.
Yeah, the mom is hugging the baby tightly.
Yeah, they probably are going to jump together. It's interesting.
Yeah.
The baby has gone, or is it the mom?
Wow, there are many.
So they're jumping so swiftly on the trees. Guys, we are lost properly. We are properly lost. This road maybe. So we have met these people, we were with them, and they were lost heading this way. So we need to go.
So many. How many eggs are these?
Turudi basi.
Jesus. Tutapata gate imefungwa ama? Kai, unajua hata mimi na si leo sato. Leo sato.
Because you are using the Google.
Guys, we have done 5 kilometers in circle. We started at 1 p.m. and now it's 3:40 p.m. guys.
For the exit.
Dear Jesus. Dear God. Dear God.
No way.
Kobenata, you remember that family of one boy and one girl? That is the family we were supposed to follow. Oh my goodness, guys, we've been forced into a workout 2 times. Twice the match we were supposed to do.
So guys,
Thanks-
we are lost again.
thanks to the person
we are
who-
lost following the ribbons.
Thanks to the person who removed
Even this
the
arrows we are
trail.
getting us to
Dear
the
God.
end.
Is
They're
that,
not getting us to the end, you know?
yeah, they are going other routes. They are going to other routes. Lydia, nguvu imeisha. Nguvu imepotea.
Nani amepio ni something else?
Namwambia tulimwambia aweke
Inaka perfume.
live location unaona.
Inaka perfume. People use a lot of things here inaonekana. Nini mapo yako inakuoneshaje tunafaa ku
Straight on sana ngoja.
Straight then we go to the gate. Where's the gate?
No, twende kwa gate. Twende kwa gate. Tunaenda
Sisi
twende
tuingie
hivi.
tu kwa barabara tutafute Uber.
Ndio na mimi nasema.
Hai?
Ndio barabara.
Tutokeleze kwa barabara
Juu
because remember all of us
We are in Kajiado County.
Si kweli
Guys, we are in Kajiado County. We don't know even how to
From
get
Karen.
out of this forest.
From Karen.
No one knows the way. We are how many
All of us.
tuingie kwa barabara.
we get a Uber.
Yeah, because we are far guys.
Sasa nyinyi mmemwaje? Oya. Mmemwaje?
No, you are not going to leave us.
Hapana, Kobenata, we are good.
We
We're
follow
good,
the
Kobenata.
same direction.
Sasa nyinyi
We have literally walked more than we were supposed to. JW.
Yes. You're doing great. You're doing great.
I think at the end of everything we'll have covered maybe 15 15 or something, or 20. Jesus. We could have covered 20. We probably will have covered 20. I like how this tree has grown. So cute. So guys, after a whole hour of being lost, we are back on track again. We are back on our track. Hey, finally, at least we can see the river and the area is familiar. We were lost for a whole good 1.5 hours. For 1.5 hours. The ants? Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm telling you, this area is familiar now. At least we came through this way. Oh my goodness. Huh? At least this is familiar. This area is familiar. Let's just hope they don't look the same as Lydia. Wait. Finally, after 2 hours, guys, we are back where we started. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Finally, we are here. We were lost for about 2 hours, 2 hours and something. But finally, we are back. We are back, guys. Hey!
The markings were taken off.
Were altered. Yeah, like somebody was doing it on purpose.
This
Did
is why
you
I leave
notice?
this one, because I don't need to go to it.
With it anyway. Yeah, we are safe finally.
This is where we started. This is the bridge.
So we're going inside here, and there is a waterfall. There is a waterfall here, and then there is another waterfall this side. What? So guys, we are going down there. We'll be going down there. Let's go and see. Let's walk and see. Safety first. We must check and find that we are walking on a place that we won't get hurt. Yeah, so that's how it's looking down there. Let's go see what's popping. Now this is amazing. This is awesome. I like this. I like the sound of the waters. It's a bit steep. Look, that is where we are coming from. That is up where we are coming from. And this is another way going up there. See? So that place there is where we are. We were in the last few minutes. We were there at the bridge. So guys, we are told there are caves. There are caves. We will go up here, and then we'll see some caves over this area. Yeah. Let's go to the caves. So that is where we were. That is where the bridge is, where there are those flowers, purple flowers. There is where we were. The bridge. So the waterfall is going. There's that people cross with that rope to this other side. OMG. So I think the caves are somewhere there. We will have to go up and then we'll find ourselves there. let's go to the caves, guys. Let's go to the caves and see. We've come from down there and now we are climbing the mountain. We are climbing up there. Let's go, guys. Let's go, let's go. From down there, up, up, up. We're going up the mountain.
You sure want to go to the cave?
Let's
If
go.
they are where?
Let's go.
No, if they are far me, I can't go. And that,
So this way is to the waterfall over there, and this way is to the caves. Let's see. Let's see. If it's not far, we do that, we cover that, and then come back quickly to the waterfall where we are seeing it from the from below, where we'll be seeing from below. Okay. So down to the waterfall we go. Let's walk down there and see the beautiful view from down, guys. All right. It's a very beautiful view from down here. Amazing, amazing environment. The ambience is amazing. Look at that view. Look at that view there. Amazing view, guys. And the feeling here is just serene, you know. So this is the second waterfall. Remember, the first waterfall is the one we saw earlier on my previous video. I will link the video here so that you can check it out if you missed out on it. So that is when we got lost. Look at this environment, guys. It's amazing. It's amazing. So this is the second waterfall. The earlier one was a bit was not as high as this. All right. The feeling being in this environment is so calming, very soothing, and the sound of the water, the sounds of the birds, you know, it's amazing experience. If you want just that nature walk that it's filled with serenity, just come to Oloolua, guys. You are going to enjoy. Thank me later. So off we go. We are heading to the caves, guys. We are heading to the caves. It was such a long day, but thank God it's finished. Now this is where we will get to the other side, because
so we are from the waterfall.
we are done with the waterfalls. Now we go this way. We head this way. So this will be my second time visiting caves. My first time was in CP Fall back when I was in Uganda. Guys, check out that video. It was an amazing one. So here we go. Let's go, guys. Let's go and see. So we're going this way to the caves. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Yeah. Lots of roots from the trees on the ground. So you've got to be very, very careful. And the water down there. Here we are. Let's see how far it goes. Look, it's that's deep. I'm telling you. Let's see. Yeah, I hope this is the place. Let's see. I wonder what's over there. Next time we come here, we will go there and show you guys what's there. Okay. Hata ndio nashangaa pia. So guys, this is the caves that we were told. This is how it looks. JW is inside, so I will go inside as well. Yeah, so I was excusing some people to go. Yeah, this is how it looks inside. JW, is it spooky? So this is how it looks inside. Wow, I think people used to live here before, yeah? But it's cold. It's cold. It's a cat. Oh, no, it's not a cat. It's just something. It's flowers. Yesterday was Valentine's. It's flowers. People came here for their Valentine's, guys. This is how it looks.
That's crazy, man.
Yeah. Look, that looks like it used to be a bed for someone, yeah?
Sure.
Or maybe they wanted to extend the house.
Maybe an animal could be better.
Yeah, it could be an animal as well. And there's another one going there. Did you see that, JW?
Yes, I think it's a dead end.
It's a dead end.
cannot
No.
continue.
Okay, JW, there's something going there. So, but we cannot go there. We cannot risk. We cannot risk. Yo. Okay, guys, that is the cave for us. It goes up to that place you're seeing there. It still goes inside. Yeah, you see? It's going inside, but we cannot go there. Yo, that's spooky. Let's go back. Alright, guys. I'm telling you, it's very spooky. Yeah, there's another one going inside, yeah? Wow. This is a whole place. JD, you can find JW.
Yes, I tried.
You can find that the one that's going there. Maybe it's going to another place.
Maybe.
Nobody can
This one here looks risky.
It can hit. You should mind your head
Yes.
while going down. Alright, guys, that is the cave for us. People came here yesterday. Yesterday was Valentine's Day, so people came
There's no
here.
oxygen in here.
And somebody decided to
Give
the
the
keep the flowers. Yeah. OMG. This is the roof of the cave. It's cold and it's very stuffy. Yes, guys, that is the cave for us. Ooh, I forgot I had a...
Acha huyo atoke asichome.
Asifanye hiyo picha iko
Kuja mtu wangu. Mtu wa mkono kuja. Si wakae huko tu. Huyu anakuanga kamera ngal ndio nataka kumpea.
Nisaidie. Nipresie tu hapa mara kadhaa.
Ndio nimepiga moja tu.
Live inaweza kweli?
Nimekata.
We are back, guys. Hey guys, if you watched this video till this end, I'm super grateful. Thank you so much for the support. For now, we will end this one here and I will catch you on the next video. From me, it's a bye-bye from Oloolua Nature Trail, okay? It's a bye-bye from me. I will catch you on the next one, guys. Bye. Thank you for the support.